Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the bridge stitch. This is what the template for it, I don't know what you want to call this. This is what it looks like. So how you follow this is you use this as, this would be like your anchor peg, and then you just follow the way it shows and you wrap. This is a rake stitch, obviously, and it has some different names. Bridge stitch, some of them are in a different language. But this is what it looks like. As opposed to some of these other stitches, it's a bit thinner. And it's very stretchy. Something maybe like a poncho or something. I don't know. Let me set this up back here so you can kind of see. And get my yarn out of the way, which I always like to do. Just a slip knot. I pulled the slip knot the wrong way. Okay. So what we're going to do is it's coming from, let me pull this up. There we go. It's coming from that, and then we go up, wrap around, kind of like a figure 8 stitch, or even just your E-wrap. And you don't just go down, you go across. So there's going to be empty pegs. And that's what makes it so thin and so stretchy. You see I have a peg broke there. So you go all the way down. What you do when you come back, which actually, yeah, that's how I do it. You wrap around that last peg, and then you just follow the same pattern all the way back. Alright. And then you take your bottom over the top. You flip it over to the other side. Take your bottom over the top. Oh, and this last one has actually popped off. Let me rewrap that. And there you have cast on. This is what the cast on looks like when you have it done. See? There you go. Which if you want, this is a good point to pause if you want to screenshot this or just write it down yourself. That's how you do it. Okay, thank you for watching. Now on to the next one.